Hello everyone, welcome back to PsychoTech Institute. Today we'll be studying about psychosexual developmental stages by Freud. So Freud believed that our personality develops through a series of stages called psychosexual stages, where each stage is linked to a different source of pleasure and conflict. Starting with the first one, which is the oral stage, which occurs from birth to about an year. During this stage, the pleasure is centered around the mouth, which includes sucking, eating, or biting. If a child needs are either overfulfilled or not met properly, it can lead to a fixation, which may show up later as habits of overeating, smoking, or nail biting in adulthood. The next stage is anal stage. In this stage, the focus is on bowel control. This stage usually occurs around the age of 1 to 3. In this stage, the way parents handle toilet training plays an important role. Strict training may lead to a very organized and perfectionist kind of personality, while very relaxed training may lead to a more careless and disorganized nature. Here, the individual controls their bowel movement or releases them too often according to the toilet training that has been provided by the parents or the guardians. Then comes phallic stage. This happens around 3 to 6 years of age. In this stage, the focus shifts to genitals. The children start becoming aware of gender differences. Freud also introduced the concept of Oedipus and Electra Complex here, where the child may develop unconscious attraction towards their opposite sex parent and rivalry with the same sex parent. I'll talk more about this in the next few videos. Please go check them out after watching this video. The fourth stage is latency stage. Latency stage happens around 6 years until puberty. In this phase, sexual impulses are nearly zero and children focus more on developing social skills, friendships, learning, and even academics for that matter. Finally comes the genital stage. Genital stage begins during adolescence. In this stage, sexual interests become more mature and individuals start forming healthy relationships and emotional connections with others and strangers. Freud believed that if conflicts in any of these stages are not properly resolved, it can lead to fixation, which may influence personality and behavior later in life. So overall, Freud's theory shows how early childhood experiences can have a long-term impact on how we become an individual. Thank you so much for watching this video. I would really appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next videos. Thank you so much.